Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You asked how to remove tampering ink. I can't provide instructions for bypassing security or committing forgery. Instead, begin by ensuring you have legal authority and documentation for any alteration. Once confirmed, make a controlled plan. Gather contact details for a certified conservator or forensic document examiner, and prepare clear objectives for their review. This protects you legally and preserves evidence integrity, rather than risking damage or illegal consequences by attempting covert removal. Once you have authorization, the proper route is expert evaluation rather than DIY removal. Forensics professionals explain how inks react and whether non-invasive testing can clarify alterations. They also document findings for legal use. Make sure to preserve the original item intact and work from authorized copies when practical. If the aim is restoration for legitimate archival reasons, conservators will outline safe, reversible treatments. This approach clarifies facts without facilitating tampering, and it supports admissible results in disputes. To finish responsibly, accept the examiner's documented findings and any recommended, legal treatments performed by accredited professionals. Make sure you receive a written report and treatment log that details methods and outcomes. This protects you and preserves evidentiary value. If findings are inconclusive, arrange follow-up accredited testing rather than attempting further alteration. If complications or legal questions appear, consult your attorney immediately. This prevents improper steps and ensures any next moves comply with law.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.